Welcome to the next section, Firebase. Firebase is a mobile and web application platform. It's gone from a reactive database in the cloud to a whole suite of products. We will, however, focus on the database side of things, as that is the interesting part for an Angular developer. We now start with the first video, three-way binding versus two-way binding. We have different kinds of bindings. AngularJS made the two-way binding famous. This entails being able to change data from two different directions. A change in the view changes data on the controller. A change on the controller reflected in the view. As for three-way binding, what do we mean? Let's illustrate this with an app. It's best described through an image. What you need to imagine here is that we've developed an application that uses Firebase. We're launching said application in two different browser windows. In the first window, we make a change that's being reflected in the second browser window. So, what steps take place? Instance 1. User changes a view. Instance 1. Change propagates to the model. This triggers synchronization with the Firebase database instance. The second instance is listening to the synchronization. The model for the second instance is being updated. The view for the second instance is being updated. There you have it. Change in one place and see the results in two or more instances, depending on how many instances you've spawned.